Whoa, what did the anchor on Fox just say?
The strongest earthquake in 140 years, John.
Look at all of that. And it's not over yet because we've got the Eclipse earthquake coming up on Monday. As Deborah Ross was telling us, it's going to be a transformative experience for anybody who is in the area of totality.
An eclipse earthquake? Was that a Freudian slip? What does he mean by that? That's pretty weird, but you know what else is weird? The earthquake in Lebanon, New Jersey was at 4.8 on the Richter scale, and Monday is April 8th, 4-8. And what did he mean by transformative experience for those in the path of totality? He said that all ominous like. Yikes. I guess we're gonna watch and wait, but yeah.
Eclipse earthquake coming up on Monday. As Deborah Ross was telling us, it's going to be a transformative experience for anybody who is in the area of totality.